Hello, welcome to this episode on basics of regular expressions. I'll show you the the very basic things about regular expressions in this series. So let's get started. I have a string called, let's say, hello. Hello, Bugs Bunny, do you live in Disneyland? Now I can do a regular expression match by doing this equals and the the wavy thing on the keyboard, and then the match. What do you want to match now? Let's match for the first try. Let's try to match Disneyland. Okay, let's say if Disneyland is found Disneyland, otherwise did not find it. Let's see what happens, and it says found Disneyland. And there is a special variable in Ruby where when you have a match like this, you can print that special variable. It's called the dollar, and then the same thing you use for matching here the same character, and you can print that character. And if there is there it is, that's the match data. And it's the same thing as the API. If you look at the Ruby Lang document, you can just even say match data, match dot last match. That will give you the entire match. Now let's do something. I want to show you something which you can use for learning regular expressions, and it's a very nice tool. It's called Rubular, a Ruby regular expression editor. So let's play with this thing and focus on learning about regular expressions. Let's say hello Bugs Bunny, do you live in Disneyland? And our regular expression will be just as text like we did before, Disneyland. And as you can see, there is one match. Here, let's say this is something that you can use if you want case insensitive. You can do it like this. And let's say if we had another sentence which says Disneyland is a lovely place. As you can see, this time we have two matches. Since I said it is a case insensitive match. It found Disneyland lowercase and the uppercase. So you can use I for case insensitive match. And let's say I have another sentence here. And I want, like, for instance, let's say I want to match you. So as you can see, there are multiple matches. In this case, the text is a regular expression, and we have two U's in this test string. Now let's move on to another example. Let's say I have cats.txt, some files. And I want to find all the cats. What are the files matching cats? We have 3 files matching cats. And what happens when you have a dot? Dot is, means it matches any one character. It could be alphanumeric, or it could be digits. For in these two cases, digits, or even the digit itself. In this case, the digit itself matched. And let's say I had cats u.txt, that also matches. So we have alphanumeric, we have the dot itself, and the digits. So dot is used to match any one character. Let's see what happens when we have another scenario. I want to match anything that has we're looking for anything with character A that has any character preceding it and any character digit or the dot itself after it. Same meaning as before, but only the sequence is such that A is in between any of the alphanumeric digit or the dot itself. So in this case, you can see C and T, we have A in between. Here also there is a match, and here there is a digit, and there is alphabet preceding it. So there is a match in all these 5 different text files. Now, what happens when you have another dot? You have 2 dots now. 2 dots is going to occupy another 2 slots. In this case, it's matching any character, any 2 characters after A. So it's matching this, cats 3, and CA1. And the question is, how can we make this dot itself? If you want to look for this dot here, how do we match dot itself? Just the dot. Instead of matching all the characters, I just want to match a dot alone. So we will see this, how we solve this thing in the next screencast. And thank you for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please recommend me and working with sales. Thank you.